welcome to the Wong Review. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. And today's episode, I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Nitecore MH12S Flashlight. Just as a side note, Nitecore did send me the flashlight to review on my channel. However, just because they sent it to me for free, in no way does it affect my opinions on the flashlight. Another side note is, I have two Nitecore flashlights, which I did purchase with my own money. This is the Nitecore P10 GT, which is my tactical flashlight. It's also my self-defense flashlight I use to carry around with me. And then I also have my workhorse of a flashlight, the MT21C, which has the bendable head. And so if you're interested in seeing these videos, I'll post a card up here, so these are the two Nitecore flashlights I already own. So without further ado, I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to review some of the features and functions, and then I'm also going to show you some outside footage of it as well, in the dark, and also have some drone footage to show you what the beam spread is like from up ahead, to see the intensity of it as well. As you're watching the video, if you find it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. We do a quick unboxing of the Nitecore MH12S. This is 1800 lumens. This is brand new. That's been released by them. It comes with the NL2150 lithium-ion battery, which is 5,000 milliamps included, and is USB-C rechargeable. So if we take a look at the side here, it says it's a multi-hybrid series. Max output is 1800 lumens. Max distance is 294 meters. The candlelight intensity is 21,600. Its impact resistance to 1 meter and waterproof up to 2 meters. And some of the features here, which you can read online. I'll post a link down in the description below. And then what accessories are included is the 18650 battery magazine holder, a tactical holster, and the USB-C charging cable. USB-C, which is nice. And it's powered by one 217000 18650 battery. And I believe it's proprietary to Nitecore. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. Let's see what's inside. So here's all the contents of the box. So the first thing is the USB-C to USB-A cable. Next thing is, this is the 18650 battery cartridge, as well as CR123s. So this one here's an 18650 that you plug into here to use if you decide to use an 18650 battery. This is the tactical holster. It's hard plastic. Kind of press on it. And so this will clip onto your belt loop. Okay, and I believe it goes like this. It's nice and snug in there. Okay, and you quickly to lift up. So that's the tactical holster. Here's the tactical holster that comes with it. Nitecore branding on the side. It's hard plastic. I can push it down. I can't really break it. And here's the belt clip. And then here's the MH12S Flashlight. So my initial thoughts right now, the knurling is really nice and deep. It's nice for the groove. The tail switch is nice and big. Alright, and then here's the switch. And right here on this side is the USB-C charging port. Get that open. So right here is the USB-C charging port, which I'm going to charge it. And then I believe the battery is in here already. Take one screw. So this is the 18, so just to compare size to a normal 18650 battery. So you can see this is way bigger, 5,000 milliamps versus 2,900 milliamps. If you look at the diameter, it's quite noticeable as well. So this cold resistant USB charge battery is what charges what I use for my other two flashlights. And this is why they give you an adapter as well. So this adapter is to help fit into the flashlight if you don't have the 2150 battery size. Okay, let's take a closer look. This is actually quite heavy. There's a bit of heft to this when the battery is installed. In terms of knurling, it's really good when you fit it. You can feel the knurling on here. I do like the look of it. It looks nice and clean and sleek. The tail switch is what turns on and off the flashlight. And then you press the mode here. And that's how you adjust the intensity of it. So this is low, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 settings, and this is super bright. You actually feel the warmth of the light on my hand. That's how bright it is. And then back to low. So the tail switch is memory lock. So that means whatever setting I had it when I turned off, it remains when I open it. Okay, so for instance, if I switch this to super bright and I turn it off, and because of the memory, when I turn it back on, it's back to super bright. And if I hold it down, it flashes and pulsates. Okay, and then hold it down again to stop it from pulsating. Okay, just to compare in size, the other ones, it's pretty comparable to the other size of the Nitecore flashlight I have. They're all about the same size. Okay, I'm going to turn it off now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this outside, and we will look at the intensity as well as the throw distance of the light beam.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so that concludes my review of the Nitecore MH12S. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. I will get back to you. Overall, I am pretty impressed with the Nitecore MH12S Flashlight. In terms of its compact size, its durability, it's waterproof, and the 5,000 milliamps battery, the new battery that they have, can retain a lot of charge, not only that, but it outputs a lot of light. Terry and I were goofing around, playing around with it, shining each other and shining it on the ground, and it is super bright. And I was really impressed with the throw distance of the light beam and the diameter of the light beam as well. Even at 50 meters, the drone, you can see it's very bright. You can see the light spreading out. If you're someone who works outdoors quite a bit and you need that extra throw distance, that is a good choice for you. All right, so that concludes my video. I'll leave a link in the description below of where you can purchase the flashlight. All right, thank you guys for watching, and until next time.